Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. This week I'm going to be making a detox apple cider vinegar drink. If you have been around my channel, you know I love apple cider vinegar. I love detox drinks. I have a whole playlist that I will link in the description box of this video of all of my detox drinks. So for this week, I'm going to be doing an apple cider drink, and apple cider vinegar is so good for your health. It is wonderful. It can aid in weight loss. It's not a magic pill. I don't believe there is one out there, but it can definitely help aid in weight loss if you add it to your healthy diet. This is organic, raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar. And right on here, it says your daily dose of wellness. So good for you. It can help keep blood pressure low. It can help with heartburn if you get heartburn after meals. Just a really good, healthy thing to have. I think it helps boost your immune system also, and that's what I really love it for. So super awesome apple cider vinegar. I'm gonna add in this week some organic raw honey as the sweetener. So another all natural, some cayenne pepper. This is gonna help with the detox and the weight loss, and some lemon. So this is gonna be really, really good, refreshing. I love adding honey. It makes it really yummy because apple cider vinegar honestly is not good tasting at all. So you can take like a shot of it, which it can damage your tooth enamel or like your esophagus, but I have been checking with my dentist every time I go to check my enamel, make sure that nothing is going wrong by drinking apple cider vinegar. So I always dilute it, which is really, really great for that reason, to help keep that tooth enamel as it should be. So I'm gonna get this one all made up. I'm gonna squeeze these lemons, and I'm gonna use my lime press so I can get all of the juice out. And then I will portion everything into my juice containers. Every time I make a detox drink, I get so many comments about these containers. They are from Amazon, and I use them all the time. If you've been around my channel, you know I've had them for like over a year for sure, maybe even 2 years, but they are reusable, and it comes in a big, huge pack. So I will link these in the description box from Amazon. And they're really, really inexpensive also. So check them out on Amazon if you wanna make up some detox juices. So I'm gonna cut up my lemons, squeeze them out, and I like to squeeze them into my measuring cup so that I can fish out any seeds that come out. So I'm going to use about a tablespoon of lemon juice. I'm going to use a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, about a teaspoon of honey, and about a teaspoon of the cayenne pepper. And then I will fill these up with water to the top. And then they are ready to go. I like to drink about 2 per day. And I like to drink them on an empty stomach. So I usually have one before breakfast and one before lunch. So by adding some yummy ingredients to apple cider vinegar, they really do taste really good. I have my husband now drinking these. He was really skeptical at first because of the taste of apple cider vinegar, but he is now drinking them. And I also have my parents drinking them. And my mom says that she thinks they really, really help with bloating. So after a big meal or like an unhealthy weekend, she just loves to have these to help settle her stomach. So about a tablespoon of the lemon juice. Tablespoon of lemon juice. I'm gonna add in my honey, about a teaspoon. I'm gonna add in the apple cider vinegar and the cayenne pepper and then fill it with water, and these will be ready to go and so good. So with the apple cider vinegar, you kind of need to give it a little swirl, just a gentle little shake, because it kind of separates. It's with the mother, but if it sits for a little bit too long, it will start to separate just a tiny bit. All right, so these are all set. So like I mentioned, these little juice bottles they're so awesome. Really great quality, a really good thick plastic, and you just wash them. Don't put them in the dishwasher, they will melt. So hand wash these and you can use them for a very long time. Giving each one of these a little shake just to mix everything up, and then the cayenne will kind of settle a little bit, so I always kind of give it a little shake before I drink these. But like I mentioned, I have 2 of these a day, so this will last me 3 days, and they are all prepped and ready to go. Now I could just grab one out of my refrigerator. I don't have to get all of the ingredients out and make a big old mess in my kitchen for the next few days. So I hope you enjoyed this one. Like I said at the beginning, I have a whole playlist of detox drinks, so make sure you check out that playlist. I'll link it in the description box. Hope you have a really wonderful day. I will see you all on my next video. Bye-bye.